Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare chocolate popcorn. We can prepare this in a jiffy and serve this for birthday parties, or you can prepare it and treat your kids now and then. So I've used a quarter cup of popcorn seeds for this recipe. Double the amount of grated chocolate. You can use milk chocolate or you can use dark chocolate. It's up to you. I'll prepare the popcorn first. I've heated a wok on high flame. Now I'll be adding 5 tablespoons of oil. We'll add the popcorn seeds and fry the popcorn seeds in the oil. You can also use butter. Half the amount of butter, half the amount of oil. I've added just a pinch of salt and fried the popcorn on high flame. Now I'll place a tight fitting lid on that wok. We'll cook the popcorn until it stops to sputter. Now the popcorn is ready. You can serve it as it is. It's very nice and tempting. For the caramel popcorn also I prepared the popcorn in the same way. Now while the popcorn is warm, I've removed it from the flame. I've added chocolate in batches, grated chocolate in batches, and mixed it. We have to combine the chocolate evenly and mix the popcorn. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil channel link will also be listed in the description box below this video. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter friends for regular updates. My blog link will be listed in the iCard above this video, or you can click the description box below this video which will direct you to my blog. Apart from this recipe, I have posted many other recipes. Now I have spread the chocolate popcorn in a plate and refrigerated it for a few seconds. Once the chocolate is set, the popcorn is ready. You can separate the popcorn and serve it. You have to prepare this and serve this immediately. You cannot store this popcorn as it tends to get soggy. So prepare this fresh and serve it fresh. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.